Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, Ben's back in our video. So, you're gonna ask, what are we doing here? We don't have the green screen. Tell them. Go in the screen. Tell them. We're making a base.
We're making a base.
Stay here, so they can see you. Bruh. Okay, show off your phone. No way you develop your phone. Guys, you have the gold. You have the gold. Yeah, in my other video, just buy our Pokemon, bro. We're working hard.
I have a silver.
We're working hard, right? We're working hard, right? Wait, before we start the video, let's clean this. I'll help you.
So before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey, that's what I like to hear, bro. That's what I like. And there's a chance he will be in another video, right? There's a chance, right? God, he's one of my best friends. He's one of my best friends. Okay,
Okay.
wait. In 3, 2, 1, let's make the bait. Let's go. Okay, I'll make the bait. Can you help? That's good. That's good. I mean, that's good. Okay, good. Yeah, and next guys, this is kind of big. Hey, okay guys, that's stupid. Okay guys, that's part 1. Making the space of. Don't play with this. Don't play with this. You can have this, but don't play with this.
This one.
Yeah, you can play with that. Okay guys.
Ano na lang?
Sige. Okay guys, let's make the part 2 of this. Okay, wait, not that. Look at us guys. Okay, stop messing around. Go. Bro, I'm confused. Okay, good. Why don't you have a YouTube channel? Why don't you have a YouTube channel? Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. Please. Hey, put this there. Put this there. And we'll stop. Okay, let's go. Let's talk to them. Okay. Okay. Wait, guys. We'll teleport. Okay, guys. Let's fix this toy.
Teleport.
Do that. I'll do this. Okay? Okay? Okay, and I'll go. Bro! Bro, why did you do that? Okay, let me do it from here. Put it there. Good one. Next, let's put his Pokemon there. Okay, we'll teleport, guys. Oh, wait. Okay, guys. We're finished. Go in there.
There you go, guys.
Can you go there? It's kind of hard. Okay, guys. Isang puta dito. What if we not bring the green screen? Right? We cannot watch anything. Let's just play. Just play. Hey. I realize. Look at this, guys. Okay, guys. Bro. Why do? Okay, that's good.
No,
Okay, guys. We kinda of the door, yeah, right?
Right.
Yeah. Wait, can you show your face? Show your face. Okay, she's ugly. Okay, I'm just joking. She's not ugly. Hey, you, get out of me. Get out of me, you. You.
Ay, basta.
Backflip. And you just make noise. Oh, look at this. Oh,
Look at this.
look at this.
Look at this.
No, look at this. Oh, I can do that first try. Oh, first try.
First try.
You mean third try? Don't put it in the floor, okay?
Masarado ka.
Ah, good. Not that, not that. Ah. And mine, one on. Let's fight, one on. Blind family on top, bro.
Oh,
What?
one.
Wait, oh, it's you here. Wait, before you do that, before I do this, subscribe to bring me luck. Cause I'm not lucky. Ah, you did not subscribe, bro. Subscribe right now to give me luck, bro.
Please like.
Don't like. I mean, don't like. Just subscribe. I like subscribe more. Bro, I said subscribe, please.
Bro, comment please. Comment.
Ah, subscribe. You subscribe.
All.
You subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, yeah. 3, 2. You
Bro,
subscribe.
please like and
No.
subscribe.
Only like. I mean, you only like cause I already took subscribe. Bro,
Please comment and like.
did you unsubscribe? Did you unsubscribe? Tell the truth. Subscribe again. We're reaching 40 subscribers.
Ito ka pa, Bray. Ito ka ng konti. Ito ka ron.
Dito
Dito ka.
Wag na, ayoko.
Dito ka.
Okay, sorry for speaking Tagalog. Oh, just do it.
Go here.
Fine. I'm saying just go here so they can see you. Go.
Please like
Bro.
and share.
Bro. Wait. Go there. Go here. So they can see you. Good one.
Like and share.
Don't. I mean share. Bro, let your friends see this video. Let your friends see this video. Let your friends see this video. No lies.
Oh, real.
Real. Please don't make it. Okay. Bro. Just stay there. You're
For
3.
all.
No, you're 3.
For all.
No. For all, right? Hindi. Una, kanina 2 all tayo. I mean, 3, 2. Saka nakapunta ngayon.
Tapos nag-point ulit ako. Oh.
Hindi.
Naabutan kita ng 3 all tapos nag-point ako. Balik ko roll.
Ano? 2 ka, saka na, saka 3. You 2. Na, it's 4-3. I don't care. It's 4-3. 4-3. Catch up. 4 on. 4 on. Time to shine. You did not subscribe.
5-4. Ay.
You did not subscribe.
You did not like.
Nye.
Ngay. You did not
Ito
share. Eh, tinamaan mo, Bray. Tinamaan mo.
Ah! Natayo mo. 5-4, guys. 5-4. 5-4. Subscribe, please.
No, don't subscribe.
Bro.
Don't subscribe.
Oh,
Don't subscribe.
you're kicked out of the Brian family. Then okay, I'm just kidding. You're never
Bible.
my ball. Please, bruh. Bruh.
It's only 6.5, right?
No, it's 5 on. Oh, please. I'm good. Cause of the lights, I'm never getting good. Good luck, bro. Good
No,
luck.
don't play. Ano?
Nah, good
Okay,
luck.
let's play.
Nah, I'm playing this. I don't care. Cause I'm the brand. Bro, seriously? Woo! Ay, brand.
Wow! Kaya mo yan?
Can you do this? Do that. Do that. Where are you going? Why? Wait, guys. Why? Come on, what is on Ay. Wait, guys. Ben is coming. Just wait for him. You know what? I'll play. Okay, can wait. I'll have that. No, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Bro, this is my favorite. Bro, that's my favorite. This is my favorite. No,
You, wait, you did not play with it.
oh, that's my favorite.
Okay, tayo.
We're fighting.
Aray ko, bro.
Different. Bro, that don't even hurt. Haha, patay na siya dahil na-run over.
Red is silly. What is
I don't. I'm hurt.
You're loose.
You mean you're losing? Bro, this guy lost. Cause he died. He died. He died. Cause he got run over. No, this is mine. He got run over. He's dead.
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang.
Pretty much 1-1-0. I'm 1.
Wait lang.
No! English.
Yung mga baril niya, napunta dito sa gilid.
Guys, you're banned from
Yan.
the... No, you're banned.
Napunta dito.
No. Okay.
This is yours.
Yeah, that's mine. Hi, bro.
Yours.
No! Pretender's best friend. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Nice car. Bro.
Bro, you too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bro.
Bro, nice car.
Oh, nice car. And nice pet, too.
I have a pet too.
Same.
Ah,
Bro, heal. Help. Bro, help. I'm
Stop.
Good. Hey, good. Oh. Oh, bro. My pet is coming. Oh, bro. Bro, make him stop. Bro, shit. This is here.
here.
Bro, your pet is crazy. Okay. I'm coming over, guys. I lost my job. Bro, Bro, what's this? Ayo. He almost hit my car. Bro, no.
I can see.
Bro, can you do that? Can you do backflip? Hey. The double backflip. I mean, three.
Can do this.
Can you do that? You're dead. Let's chill, bro. Okay.
I have an airplane.
I'm your old boss, right? I'm your old boss, right? Can you give me money? I know I'm the best boss ever. Can you give me money? Can you give me this one? Can you give?
No. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Can you give me this one?
No. I think it's
I
not.
give you this one.
That pet is crazy. Ow. Bro, they're fighting. Bro, make them chill. Chill. Bro, chill. Bro, get out. Get out. I'm strong. Bro. Okay. Chill. Bro, your pet is crazy. Nah. You know I'm
Don't
chill.
fight him.
You know I'm boss chill. Like I'm the boss from I'm the boss from the police. I can make you arrested because of this. This your pet can make you go to jail, right? If he attacks me again, you're going to jail. If he attacks me again, you're going to jail, okay? Okay, bro?
Okay.
So, the best thing... Okay, you're arrested. Go to my police car. No, you're arrested. You're arrested. No, you're arrested. And he's... No, you're going to the... No, you're going to the zoo. Shut up. Nah, want to go to jail, huh? Stop. I'm calling your... No, bro. No, make him chill. Chill! Chill! Go to the zoo. Go to the zoo. I said, go to the zoo. You're arrested. I'll arrest your owner. No. I'll shoot your owner, bro. I'll shoot him. Kill. Your owner is killed. Kill me, huh? Kill me. Bro, chill. I'll bring you out from jail if you make your pet go to the zoo. Okay, bro? Hey, chill, okay? Chill. Go to the car. And let me drive you somewhere. Pet shop. Go here. Okay, drive. Come here. And get out. Get out of the car. And come here. And go here. This is a pet shop. No, this is a pet shop. You have food. Huh? Free food. Look, free food. Look, no, free food. Look. Just look. Look at that free food. And nah, I'm dead. Bro, no, that's not. Bro, no, bro. We have to go to Ninja. Uh, Bro, you headshot me, no life. Bro, our base is destroyed. That's all for today's video. Peace.